Listen, we know this year is weird. People are doing the when, what, why, and how thing when it comes to their taxes. Trust and believe they are looking for answers online. The worst part, your biggest competition is already doing it. But they don't have what you have, a human connection, a local source, a friendly face, and us to help capture that audience and gain new clients for this tax season and multiple tax seasons to come. Welcome to MBS TV, your one-stop shop on tips, tricks, and of course, marketing your accounting firm. Let's get this started. Just a heads up, we're going to cover what you can do as an accountant during tax season to market yourself effectively. But if you want a more in-depth experience, download our free marketing ebook from the link in the description. So let's start with the first tip. A 2019 study by Pew Research shows 18 to 29-year-olds topping the chart on social media usage, with 30 to 49 being a close second, while 65 and over stay away from social media. What can I say? Grandpa doesn't care about your latest camper van conversion. Now, out of those people, Facebook and YouTube are the most popular platforms, with Instagram in third place. With this information, you should be marketing your services on Facebook and YouTube by creating targeted ads and video content to those specific age demographics. Obviously, an ad for tax preparation is going to look different for a 29-year-old versus a 50-year-old. For a few pointers, you might want to download that ebook where we discuss topics those demographics are attracted to. And speaking about Facebook, while its popularity is dropping within the younger demographic, it is still a huge platform with a robust back-end ads manager. While it may seem daunting, Facebook allows you to target key individuals based on location, interests, and age range. But none of that matters if you're not creating your ads right. Are you just boosting posts, or are you creating dark ads and utilizing Facebook Pixel correctly with your website? With the purchase of Instagram in 2012, you now have multiple sizes your ads can fit. Plus, the demographic of Facebook is very different to the demographic of Instagram, even within those age ranges. This stuff is not for the faint of heart. If you want your ads to succeed, you have to research your demographic. Understand what types of posts work best and specific sizes for each ad placement on Facebook and Instagram, which our handy-dandy little ebook has an excellent visual breakdown of each platform's specific ad size. Another way to advertise without spending money is creating a blog. Not only will it help your site stay fresh, but it will exponentially help grow your SEO. What's SEO? You come to me and say, Alyssa, what is SEO? You don't ask. Okay, just playing with you. It's a way for search engines to find you and rank higher in search, like Google or Bing, and even Yahoo. Does anyone still use Yahoo? No? My SEO specialists are saying no, and apparently offended I actually brought up Yahoo in 2021. Hey Siri, note to self, find a new SEO specialist. Anyway, when was the last time you clicked past page 2 of Google search results? Exactly, so you want your SEO to be on point. And don't think using generic keywords or relying on people typing tax accountants in New Jersey to work. Although, we'll talk about that in a second. Instead, use your blog to answer questions people are searching for. What do I mean by that? Say everyone is searching for how to file your own taxes. You can make a blog with the title, How Do I File My Taxes in 2021? Depending on the popularity of this key phrase, your blog might come up sooner than your actual homepage. This is so important because people don't search by tags, they search by phrases. With location-based services more important now than ever, it's imperative you make sure your information is up to date. That means filling in your address, phone number, and email in Google's local business directory and on social media, especially Facebook, where your demographic mostly lives, and on your website. Why? The search algorithm knows if someone in New Jersey is searching for tax preparation services, they would want someone local. This is one of those cases where easier said than done is an understatement. Since you're a business, you'll have to jump through some major hoops for verification of your location. But all in fact is not lost. If you check out our free ebook, link below, we'll give you a quick start guide on what you need to get the ball rolling on this. Now, while everything we just talked about is important, this is a big one. With the pandemic came a mass movement to online video, in both live and on demand. Services like Disney+, Twitch, YouTube, and traditional social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and even Instagram making huge moves into video integration. This is TurboTax's Achilles heel. They don't have a person and they don't have a personal connection to a potential client who could be reaching out to them. At most, they have Bob, an automated robot that can't understand you when you yell your name for the 5th time because they did something wrong on their taxes, and all of a sudden, I owe $50,000, and all I want to do is talk to a real person. Hypothetically, of course. That's why it's so important to take advantage of video. Create a webinar, make how-to guides, or tips and tricks videos on YouTube, and go live on Facebook Live. Utilizing strategic advertisements, you can create an ad for a free live workshop. So those are just 5 tips, but don't worry, we have a bunch more that go in depth if you visit the link below or go to marketingmbs.com/tax season. Or if you want to get in contact with me today, because I'm not just the host of MBS TV, I'm the marketing director. And just like your clients want to talk to a real person, I know you do too. Make sure to like this video if you found it informative and subscribe to us, because even when tax season's done, that's the most important time to start planning for 2022, and we got you covered. Until next time, I'll see you later.